Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to location sharing option disable, I mean turn off. So if you want to turn off your share location, so you should go to like settings option. You can just tap on settings, then showing some option. So just scroll, many options there. So if you want to like location share off, then you can type here location then showing the share my location. All right, is the share location for Apple ID. Here is showing the share location, privacy and security. So I tap here just privacy and location. So this is many option. As I just permit with this app for location tracking. So if you want to disable the location tracking, then you can just go here. Then you can just select the neighbor. So I want to share my location turn off. Then I share tap here my location option. Therein showing find my phone and my location, share my location. You just should disable this button. That's it. So anyone can take with you and no one can take your location fire from you. So that's it. And thanks for the watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Bye bye.